Good day, viewers. You're welcome to another Just as Green Home Economics Practical Edition. With me, your host, E.K. Chapekines. Follow me to the Home Economics Lab. Today, we're going to be making different snacks and drinks. Firstly, this set will be making sausage roll and pineapple drink. Next, this says we make meat pie and pineapple and coconut drink. And lastly, this says we make egg roll and pineapple and watermelon drink. So now, please can you tell us our ingredients for sausage roll and pineapple drink?
We will be using flour, sausage, a pinch of salt, sugar, butter, carrots, boiled onions, baking powder, spices, vegetable oil, and some egg.
And for our drink, we will be using pineapple and vinegar.
Thank you. So please, can you please tell us the ingredients for meat pie and your drink?
For our meat pie, we will be using flour, sugar, vegetable oil, seasoning powder, seasoning cubes, butter, minced meat, Irish potatoes, some carrots, a bulb of onion, egg, and baking powder. For our drink, we'll be using pineapple, coconuts, some pineapple flavored essence, coconut flavored essence, and
Can you please tell us the ingredients for your egg roll and pineapple drink?
For our egg rolls, you will need some flour, sugar, butter, nutmeg, baking powder, a pinch of salt, some eggs, and pure vegetable oil.
for our drink, we'll be needing pineapple and watermelon.
The process has now begun. She is adding her butter into her flour to make a dough, and she is cutting her ginger. And for this set, she is dicing her Irish potatoes, and she is cutting her carrots, and she is sieving her flour. For this set, she is cutting her watermelon to make her drink, and she is peeling her eggs for the egg roll. I'm blending my pineapple and my watermelon to make my drink.
Kitchen and carrots into the pot for boiling. Look at I do this. Why am I cutting my pineapple for the juice?
Then I'm chopping my pineapple into small pieces to extract the juice.
Now I'm going to add my egg into my flour to make a dough. I just poured in my chopped Irish potato, carrots, and my seasoning cube into the pot for boiling.
While I'm cutting my pineapple for the juice.
Now we are going to be mixing our egg into our batter. Let's go over to the egg roll table to see their process.
I am flattening the dough.
And I am putting the egg into the dough and rolling it for fry.
Telling you. Now let's go to the meat pie table to see that process.
So now this is our parboiled Irish potato and carrot. So now I am mashing the Irish potato and carrot for the meat pie.
Please can you explain to us what you're doing?
We are frying our onion and we are about to add the meat inside.
So now let's go over to the sausage thing to see that process.
Now I am kneading my dough and I'm going to add my sausage.
Adding the mashed Irish potato and carrot into the meat. Now we are adding the mashed potato and carrot into the meat and we're going to be stirring it until it's properly mixed. The mixture is now ready for use and I'm going to be scooping it out.
In the final stage, we pour in our vegetable oil into the pot and wait for some minutes for it to get hot. After that, we put in our egg roll into the pot for it to be fried.
After using our dough, we're going to be adding it into the meat pie mold and we'll be adding our mixture. I will whisk the egg and use it to glaze my meat pie.
Finally, our egg roll is ready. We will remove it from the oil.
It's time for the sausage roll to be placed into the oven. We will place it on medium heat. The sausage roll has been in the oven for 45 minutes. It's now time for us to bring it out. As you can see, our sausage roll is ready.
After glazing the meat pie with the egg, it is time to put it into the oven. We will leave the meat pie in the oven for about 45 minutes.
Our egg roll is finally ready. It's time to package it.
After blending our pineapple and watermelon, we will be sieving it to get our drink.
Our juice is ready. It is best served chilled and with a snack. Let's have a taste. It's very tasty.
We'll be pouring our blended pineapple and coconut into the sea to extract the juice. Our juice is ready. Scrumptious. We will be pouring our blended pineapple, ginger, and carrots into the sea to extract the juice inside. Our juice is ready. Let's add a taste.
So refreshing.
And this brings us to the end of our home economics practical. At Graceville College, G.R.A, we are a practical-oriented school. We don't only learn in the classroom, we also acquire lifelong skills. Thank you for watching. See you in another practical video. Bye.